In this lesson, we're going to look at Jason Mraz's I'm Yours. Although this lesson is a little different from the others. In the others, I've actually given you arrangements that I've created for you to learn. In this lesson, we're going to look at the different parts of the song, so the melody in the chorus, and we're going to learn how to develop our own arrangements, so that when the chorus is finished, you'll be able to create your own at will. The basis of solo guitar is the melody and the harmony. Ideally, we need to incorporate these two things seamlessly. There's a number of different ways we can do this. We can use bass lines, we can simply strum the chords, we can fingerpick the chords, or we can even create little counter melodies. The chords of I'm Yours are simple. It's the same progression that we're looking at all course. It's 1, 5, 6, and 4. In this case, it'll be C, G, A minor, and F. So it's important that first, before we start, we get comfortable with the chords and we get comfortable with the melody. So for the chorus, we're going to have an E, which will play open, then a C, first fret of the B string, then open G, and then back up to E. So it's just simply a C arpeggio. And then we have D, which will be on the 3rd fret of the B string, then open B, then open G, and then back up to that D. So this is just a G arpeggio. And then we have C, 1st fret of the B string, 2 quarter notes, and then we're going to an A, 2nd fret of the G string, and then back up to C, and then down to an F on the 3rd fret of the D string, and then up the octave to the next F, and then starting to go down the scale, E, D, C, and then open G, up to C. The main verse, which actually appears second in the song, is going to go C. So we have 4 Cs, and then D, E. But we're starting on a rest. So that first bar is going to go rest, and then on the second bar, we're going up to a G for a quarter note, and then 2 eighth notes. And then the next line is all eighth notes, except we're going right up to our A, which is going to be on the 5th fret of the E string. This is the first time we've played an A. And then open E, D, and then open E again for the bar 3. And then eighth notes again. So we have E, G, D, C, D, C. And then the next bar, the last bar of this part, is only all quarter notes. So we've got F, E, C, and G. So this part of the verse sounds like this. Our other verse, which actually appears first in the song, is going to start on a C, and it's almost entirely eighth notes. We're going to go C, 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 D, E, and then the second bar is going to go E, B, C, D, and then the third bar is going to go E, C, and then B, A. Now everything was eighth notes up into this A. And then leading into the last bar, we have an E, and then the last bar we have F, A, F an octave up, and then E. So it sounds like this.